From bridges with Thăng Long aspiration to impressive urban railways, VINH Hảo began from a passion to become a pioneer of Vietnam's mechanical transportation brand, manufacturing and exporting bridge bearings. With a high-skilled engineer team, state-of-the-art machinery and equipment, VINH Hảo bridge bearings are now presented in nearly 200 projects of expressways, civil roads and bridges, metro rails in Vietnam and Asia. VINH Hảo proud to be the Vietnamese mechanical transportation pioneer manufacturing pod bearings with load of capacity up to 34,500 kilonewtons and in compliance with ASSHTO LRFD American standards under a management system operated in compliance with international standards. The Quality Management System ISO 9001-2015, the Welding Quality Management System ISO 38342, the European Standard for Steel Structures EN 1090 Execution Class EXC3, Environmental Management System ISO 14001-2015. In manufacturing process, all fabrication stages are carried out with modern machinery and technology and closely inspected by the factory's quality engineers team, representatives of customers, along with the witness and assessment from an independent third party appointed by the contractor. CNC cutting stage uses laser cutting machine to guarantee the accuracy of details. Drilling and milling stages creates complex work pieces that are adaptable to any specific shape. Welding stage is in compliance with the Welding Quality Management System ISO 3834 to identify and track factors affecting of welding quality, optimize the welding process. Coating stage uses the aluminum-magnesium spraying method to ensure the bearing's anti-corrosion durability of up to 100 years, proven by salt spraying test in 6,000 hours. Assembly stage is carried out by specially trained personnel to ensure bearings to be installed in accordance with the specifications. Quality control process. Before being installed in construction, VINH Hảo bridge bearings are tested in about 20 criteria, which are carried out in in-house laboratory and independent laboratory of third party. The in-house laboratory has invested quality checking devices for all manufacturing stages and a laboratory with state-of-the-art equipment to control quality comprehensively, from raw materials to manufacturing process and completed products. National Road Construction Equipment Materials Laboratory independently tests products commended by investors or third-party inspector. Outstanding criteria includes dim check and clearance test, bearing horizontal force capacity, fixed only, general test, proof load test at 0.02 rad. In the shipment stage, VINH Hảo bridge bearings will be delivered to the customer with installation manual, construction drawings, and recommendations for contractors. With competitive cost and manufacturing capacity in compliance with international standards, VINH Hảo has affirmed its position in market and has been being trusted by international contractors in remarkable projects and regions. VINH Hảo bridge bearings, local price, international expertise.